Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to upgrade your buildings in Escape from Duckov. Let's begin by approaching a building you wish to upgrade. Then make sure you select upgrade. Hit F, and as you can see, you will be taken to basically a research screen. Here, for the workbench, as you can see, I would have to have 2 bolts, 2 nuts and 1000 credits to unlock the ability to craft certain items. As you can see, there are other upgrades, as for example disassembly, fixing items, etc, etc. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.